friends, welcome to my vlog Paid Puja and more, and today I'm going to be showing you a very simple recipe how to make murukku in South Indian, or chakri in Gujarati, or chakli in Marathi. It's all the same with different names, and there are different variations. I'm going to show you a very simple one that is going to give you short success, and definitely it's going to be turning crispy and golden. So let's get started with the simple murukku. So let me quickly take you through the ingredients that we require to make the murukku. 250-gram rice flour. This is the plain rice flour, fine one, not coarse. Half a tablespoon salt. Half a tablespoon white sesame seeds. Half a tablespoon red chili powder. You can increase or decrease the chili powder based on your preference for making it hot. 100 grams of plain yogurt. Some clarified butter. I will be using around 3 to 4 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Some water for binding the flour. And you require this ladle that is called the Murukku maker. You will get it. You will get this design as well. You will be able to find this ladle, the Murukku maker, easily in any Indian grocery store. And finally, some oil for frying. So I'll place the oil for heating while I prepare my batter for the murukku. To the rice flour, I will add the sesame seeds, the red chili powder, salt, 3 tablespoons of clarified butter, yogurt. Give it a good mix with just these ingredients first, and then sprinkle some water. Please do not add too much water at the same time. Just keep adding water little by little as needed, because we need to make a dough out of it. My dough is now ready, and you could see that it is not sticking to the pan. That's a good sign of knowing that your dough is just ready. I will divide my dough into 2 portions to fill it up into this ladle, the murukku maker. I have already set the design into the maker, and now I will fill in my maker with the dough. So now we are ready to prepare our murukku before we fry them. Murukku could be of any shapes and sizes. The most popular one is the circular one. So we will make the circular murukku today, which is quite simple. Just start rolling your murukku maker in a clockwise direction, and I will cut it off after I get the desired size. Similarly, I will make all my murukkus before frying them. The oil has been heating on medium high, which is just perfect for me to fry my murukkus. You can see that it is already crispy. This noise indicates that it is ready for us to take it off the frying pan. My murukku is ready to eat now. They look absolutely delicious, and I will do a quick crunch test for you to see how crunchy it has turned out. So here was the taste test for the murukku that we just prepared. You see how crispy it is, crunchy, and you could also see this hollow, it is in the center, that shows that this is just perfectly fried. You can hear the sound of crunchiness. It is just delicious. This makes it a perfect snack for tea time, which I'm going to enjoy it right now with my tea. Yum. So go ahead and try this recipe. Share your experience in the comment box below. And yes, if you've liked my video, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the bell button for more notifications on my further videos so you get more awesome recipes to try. And till my next video, stay awesome guys. Thank you.